Have you ever felt like God is near, yet somehow far? Like you love Him, you believe in Him, but sometimes you can't feel Him? Here's the truth. God is not distant. He is calling you closer. The Bible says, "The Lord is near to all who call on Him." Psalm 145:18. Today you're stepping into a deeper walk with Him. Getting closer to God doesn't begin with perfection, it begins with pursuit. James 4:8 says, "Draw near to God, and He will draw near to you." The moment you take even a small step toward Him, God takes a huge step toward you. 1. Talk to God consistently. Prayer is simply speaking from your heart. Jeremiah 29:12. Then you will call on me and come and pray to me, and I will listen to you. God is not looking for perfect words. He's looking for a sincere heart. Talk to Him about your fears, hopes, and struggles. Honesty brings intimacy. 2. Read His Word daily. The Bible is God speaking directly to you. Psalm 119, verse 105. Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path. Start small, but be consistent. The more you read, the clearer His voice becomes, and the stronger your spirit grows. 3. Silence the noise around you. Sometimes God isn't silent. Life is just too loud. Psalm 46:10. Be still and know that I am God. Stillness creates space for God's presence. When you quiet your mind, His peace becomes clearer. His voice becomes louder. 4. Walk in obedience. Obedience draws you closer to God because it aligns your heart with His. John 14:23. Anyone who loves me will obey my teaching, and we will come to them and make our home with them. When you choose God's way, your sensitivity to His presence increases. 5. Worship Him daily. Worship is not just singing, it's surrender. Psalm 22:3 says God inhabits the praises of His people. When you worship, heaven moves closer. Your heart becomes soft, your mind becomes peaceful, and your spirit becomes open. 6. Stay connected to other believers. Growth happens faster in community. Hebrews 10:25. Do not give up meeting together, but encourage one another. God often uses people to guide, strengthen, and sharpen you. Walking with believers draws you deeper into God's presence. You don't need to chase a feeling, just keep seeking Him. Matthew 7:7. Seek and you will find. Every prayer, every verse you read, every act of obedience, every moment of worship, it all draws you closer. God is not far from you. Acts 17:27 says, He is not far from any one of us. He is near right now, ready to refresh your spirit, strengthen your heart, and walk with you daily. Your relationship with Him is growing deeper, stronger, and more beautiful than before. If this blesses you, write in the comment, Lord, draw me closer to you.